Ever heard of a weekender that could probably handle a zombie apocalypse? We're not saying this Chevy 2500 could, but it definitely could. I'm Dean Bleasner, the co-founder of Big Dog Builds. We are the most awarded American truck company in Australia with over 500 trucks, just like this one here, through the doors. This Chevy 2500, built with hardcore adventures in mind, has got everything from high-performance battery system to an LED light bar combo that'd split a kangaroo from a mile away. Let's go, check it out. This laser lamp combo behind the grille is definitely going to light up the night sky. I don't know whether it'll split a kangaroo in half, I hope not. But these LED spotlights from laser lamp, the grille pattern there has got just enough room for that LED light to come out from behind the grille nicely. It's not getting affected by any of that plastic in the grille itself. I've heard these ones here are quite ordinary. So adding this laser lamp combo is definitely going to light up the night sky and make driving at night time a lot better. Ever heard the saying, it's all about the journey? Well, with these Nitto 37 12.5 20 Ridge Grapplers, the journey just got a whole lot more interesting. These Ridge Grapplers from Nitto, definitely one of the best tyres on the market. They were super hard to get at one point. We've got plenty of stock these days. 37 12.5 20. So this one here is on a 3-inch lift. So those of you that ask, can I fit 37-inch tyres with only a 3-inch lift? If you do enough trimming, it can be done. You definitely need to stick to the right offset wheel and tyre combination. For this one here, you've still got to do a tiny little bit of trimming up the front there. This KMC wheel combo with the machine face, the black outer lip, and the Apex tyre valves mean that you can air these tyres down in a heartbeat, hit those beaches and those off-road adventures, get back on the road, and simply inflate your tyre valves, and you're back on the road ready to rumble. It would have been 50 PSI down to about 35 PSI in about 10 seconds. Now here's where we take things to the next level. When it comes to suspension and airbags, we've gone for the BDS 3-inch suspension kit. This has got the torsion bars still underneath. The Fox 2.5 remote reservoir shocks make adjusting these shock absorbers a breeze. You've got both low speed and high speed settings in there. When you swing around to the back end, we've also got the Fox 2.5 remote reservoir shocks at the back, and then you've got the added Boss triple bellow airbag to the Chev 2500s. This combination, depending if you're towing, if you're unladen, if you've got too many beers in the tub, you can easily set the pressure to these airbags, set the shocks to suit, and these Fox 2.5 remote reservoir shocks, serviced every 12 months, 40,000 Ks roughly. You can tweak the valving, the rebound in these shocks, and they're going to outlast probably the vehicle itself. This isn't just a roof rack, it's a mobile command center. Whether you're wanting Starlink on the go up on the roof rack, or you're wanting the solar panel to charge the underseat battery setup, this V2 combo from Big Dog Builds has got the Baja LED linkable kit on the front end. It's also got the laser lamps out the side. This is going to give you great distance out the side of the roof rack. Those Baja Combo XL 7 lights on the front there are going to definitely light up the night sky. Those lights on the front of the roof rack paired with the laser lamps out the front of the grille is going to make sure that you get to your destination at night time. The Starlink on the roof rack as well is going to ensure that you can get anywhere you want. You're going to have reception, you're going to have satellite, you're going to be able to talk to anyone, and if you do get stuck on top of the GME XRS UHF combo pack, that's definitely the way to go. Let's get serious about power. Before that, these power side steps from AMP Research. These are the Smart Series steps, super popular option on these Chev 2500s. Whether you're wanting this option or you're wanting the XL series, which is going to be for the bigger lift kits, these ones here, simply keep your foot on the side. If you're wanting to wash the roof rack, get underneath that Big Dog rack. You can stand on these steps, wash the roof, access the command center, or jump back off, open the door, close it again. Those steps are going to tuck up nice and neatly underneath the vehicle. And these things here are definitely a must for your Chevy 2500. When we're talking about power, this is a serious underseat power setup. 200 amp DCS battery, 2000 watt Enerdrive inverter. Through this 2000 watt Enerdrive inverter, you can power things, whether it's an induction cooker, a coffee machine, George Foreman grill, hair dryer, hair straightener, George Foreman, I've already said that one. Anyway, that will power pretty much all of your needs, whether it's 240 volt, you've also got your 12 volt outlets from this one into the tub. We can also power the center console fridge, only if you've got a 2023 model Chev, the 2024s, discontinued. But you could throw a fridge on the back seat, you could put the George Foreman, I've already said that again. All right, let's go into the rear and I'll show you those outlets that I've just been talking about. Sorry guys, no George Foreman back there. So from the Underseat Battery Setup, whether you've got a tray and you want to put Anderson plugs on the front for fridges, or you're going to keep the tub, we can do your grey Anderson outlets for fridges, your red solar input, which is through the red Anderson plug. We've also got the dual USB-C as well as a USB-A for the phones. We can customize this combination from that battery setup to run whatever you need. You've got a fridge up the front, you've got a deep freezer. So much power, this thing might even run the gas stove. If you're a Chevy lover, you're looking to get away on weekends, or you're planning that full lap of Australia, click on the link in the description below. We look forward to seeing your inquiry come through the website. We'll get in touch, we'll plan your build out, we'll get you into something as good looking as this thing. If you like this video, guys, check this video out here. And to see big red Chevy, that's this one here.